As I mentioned previously, I'm going to show you now how to create an area clearance, but this time I have advanced 2D machining installed as an upgrade. So what I'm going to do is click toolpaths and select create area clearance toolpath. I'll just move this over so it's tabbed on here, and I'm going to press Ctrl A just to select all of the vectors. The finished depth, again 5mm. This is exactly the same as the last demonstration. I'm going to add a tool, 12mm again, and change the step down to 2.5mm. I'm going to add another tool this time. Previously I had to do this in 2 parts, so I'm going to add a 1.5mm end mill. I'll keep the step down at 1.5mm and I'll click calculate now. If I just zoom in on one of these parts, now you can see it's created the 12mm toolpath, and then it's created leftover machining for the 1.5mm. This saves quite a considerable amount of time, as you don't have to do separate parts to machine this. So I'll just go into the 3D view, close this down. Here you can see, I'll just simulate the toolpath. There's the roughing tool, and finally the 1.5mm, which just gets into the corners. This saves a lot of time.